It's 2 for 1 in this one here because we got 2 new badges that you can claim, and I'm gonna show you how in this video. This will be a quick step-by-step guide on how to get the newest abstract badges. As you can see here, I continued to gain roughly the same amount of experience points over the last couple of weeks. Last week was a little bit less, but yeah, let's not go into detail too much, probably because the whole market dumped. But in this one here, we're not gonna concentrate on the market, but on the new badges that you can claim. First of all, I'm gonna show you the Maze of Gains, the new on-chain hero game, and this is the newest flash badge that you can claim. It's called the MOGGER. The badge is awarded to players who pick up the badge on level 5 of the maze. So let me show you how to do this. You can see this as always here step by step on the screen. If you have not done this, then you should definitely follow so you don't miss any of my abstract chain videos. First of all, connect your abstract global wallet, sign in as always. Two-factor authentication is highly advised to keep your funds safe. I covered this in one of the previous episodes on my abstract series. So what you need for this badge is to claim a key. I think the top 330 people on abstract chain actually got a key for free, or several, I'm not sure. But yeah, as you can see here, I'm just buying a key for 0.001 ETH. That's roughly $2 in ETH. You need to approve the transaction and then you got the key. And I actually managed to do this in just one run, and I completely focused on getting to level 5. So I completely ignored the fact that you can earn gems and all of that stuff. This is actually the first run that I did. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. But what you want to do is you want to make sure that your energy stays up. You can see this on the top left. The energy, you get this from slaying the enemies and also opening boxes. As you can see here, there was nothing in this room here. And what you want to do is you want to search for the steps to go to the other levels. As you can see here, there's a treasure. I'm gonna show you how I'm doing this on the first level in normal speed, but then, as I said, I'm gonna speed it up. So as you can see here, I'm just clicking on the different tiles. Moving from one tile to the other costs energy, and you can restore this by the different energy boosters that look like a flash. The bigger the size of the flash, the more energy you get. There, this one is a smaller one, +9. And now in the last room that I went to, here getting more energy, because this seems to be the hardest thing to not run out of energy. So now I joined the second floor. Then you can choose an upgrade. I completely went for the stuff that got me more energy, because my main focus here was just to get to level 5. This one here was lucky. I directly jumped to floor 3. So I completed the second floor. I restored more energy. As you can see here, now I got 115 energy, so more room. With the ghost, you cannot beat them, so just run away from them, and they also, if they hit you, you lose energy. So I'm gonna speed it up now on my quest to get to the next floor, and the main goal is to get to level 5. Later in this video here, I will show you how to get another badge, which is the wrapped badge, in just a second. As you can see here, the higher the floor, the more enemies there are. So you need to defeat them to get through them. As I said, you cannot beat the ghosts. And here's the next floor. Now floor 3 is complete. Now I only need to move through floor 4 to actually get to the floor 5 where you can find the badge. Now here's some nice energy top-ups. I can't get past this ghost, so I'm moving up. And need to slay some monsters to get through them. Trying to get more and more energy so I don't run out of energy. As you can see, there's more and more monsters, and I need to run away from the ghosts. Sadly, this was not the part of the level where the stairs are, but here we go. So this was level 4. Now I'm picking yet another thing. First 10 moves are free, but hitting them also costs energy. As you can see here, they are getting stronger and stronger. I don't want to go down there because the badge thingy is on floor 5, and now it's getting really dangerous for me to actually get through the floor until I find the badge. But there I can see it running out of energy, but I got it in time, and boom, I unlocked the badge. And this is shortly after I died, but I didn't care because the only purpose of this was to get to the badge. So trying to get as much energy updates as possible, and also trying to stay alive. As you can see here, it did not work directly, so I needed to refresh. Went to app again, clicked a little bit around, and once I got back to the portal, I was actually able to refresh and redeem the badge. So here we go. Hit claim badge, and then you get the newest flash badge, the Mogger. There's not too much time left now. I think now that I'm posting this, probably around 3.5 days or roughly 4 days. So still a bit of time. Doing a refresh here, and now the Mogger badge shows up. And now let me show you how to get the second badge, which is the abstract wrapped badge for the 1-year anniversary. You can click on, if you go to discover, and then on the top banner, click on go start. You already see that you're logged in. If you're coming from the abstract portal, you hit the little floppy disk, you click start, and then your abstract wrapped starts, like you know it from Spotify Wrap, for example. You see how many apps you've played with, your favorite apps, trading volume on abstract itself. Only did it on the other chains, only did it on the other dApps, how many transactions, how many badges in this wallet, and I'm a chain explorer. Then you see this wrap card, you can share to continue, then you can download the image or copy it, share it on X, and once you hit the share on X button, it does not really need to be posted, and then you will be able to hit next, and then you've earned the new badge in the portal. Here's some numbers on abstract itself, how many active apps, how many active users, gigaverse in-game items tokenized, and fun stuff like that. And then if you hit exit and go back to the abstract portal, then go back to rewards, and then you are able to claim this badge as well. This is the 1-year badge. This badge is awarded to anyone who's been part of the abstract journey until then. So that's how you get the 2 newest flash badges. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in the next video.